Good morning, and good morning. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas.
Are you excited?
Yes.
So we are on our way home from Louisiana back to Nashville. Have a 10-hour drive ahead of us, and we decided that we wanted to do Vlogmas this year. So we really wanted to start Vlogmas just because I feel like we'll be able to go back and watch these videos like when we have kids, and just like being able to see like everything that happens. And Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year ever. I literally love everything about Christmas, which is why I thought that this would just be so fun to do and be able to go back and watch these memories and just see like how much our lives have changed. Zach and I were just talking about how much we wish we would have started doing this a long time ago, just because of how much our lives have changed. Ben, what you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Just because of how much our lives have changed in the last like year, really. We've moved 5 times. So we've lived in 3 different cities in the past year, and life has just been crazy. We got Finn. Finn's birthday is actually this week, so we'll be celebrating that. And Zach and I just celebrated our 1 year of marriage. So today we're just gonna be traveling home and having some fun with that. When you have fuzzy socks on, but you have to take the dog out. And then we have our sofa that we're bringing home. We had to literally tape it up because we didn't know if it was gonna rain or not. That was terrible lighting, but we just stopped at Zaxby's on our way home. We have made it to Mississippi. Zach is taking Finn to use the bathroom, and he's going to the bathroom too. And then we're just gonna go through the drive-thru because we don't want to leave the sofa here. And then we also have Finn, so, but yeah, we're picking up lunch. And I don't think I ever mentioned, but we have a sofa in the back of our car because we're bringing it back to Nashville with us, and we didn't know if it was gonna rain, so we had to put tarps on it and then shrink wrap it. So that was fun yesterday doing that. And then I am literally wearing fuzzy socks and loafers, if that's what you want to call them, because my feet were cold in the car, and didn't want to wear my shoes. Hello, I videoed y'all.
Oh. Well, Finn didn't pee, so I'm gonna go to the restroom and then I'll come back out and walk him some more.
Okay, sounds good. Say, it's almost my birthday. Say, I'm almost 1. Finn. Okay, so it's really funny. I'll always try and take pictures of Finn, but he's literally so black that you like can't see him in pictures, which is annoying, but you're still so handsome, huh? Zach is gonna go to the bathroom and we're gonna order some food. Are you ready for some lunch? Whoa, oh.
What just happened?
He fell over. I'm sorry, Finn, I couldn't help you. I'm sorry, buddy.
Jump up in there.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I got it. We'll fit right here. You got a Diet Coke too?
Yep.
Okay. We made it. We're back. 10 hours later, and we are home.
Does it look better?
Yeah, it looks better with the lights on. We are fixing to
Finn, are you excited?
let Finn out really quickly, let him use the bathroom, hop back in the car, and head to the Mexican restaurant because we are starving. We stopped twice this entire trip.
We stopped once for gas and once for food.
Yeah, once for gas and once for food. So I'm really proud of us. I'm starving though, so now it's time to go get Mexican food. Oh. Come here, Finn. Oh, our car is all messed up. Oh, I wonder if it's stormed. Come on, Finn. Let's go inside.
Oh, how did it get so cold?
Oh no, look at my pretty ring. Can't see anything right now, and also our apartment has 0 furniture, but we're about to add a sofa, so that's exciting.
Exactly how we left it.
Okay, I am fixing to record a Hallmark movie really fast, and then our friend Bailey's gonna pick us up. Oh yeah, I forgot. I think I'm gonna get different chairs though. For now, I'll use those. Got this headband for $5 at Marshall's, you guys, and got a black one, but Mom is giving it to me for Christmas. And I also got a really cute one from Target that is just like solid black. There's no pearls or like tie. It's just like a thick felt, or I think it's velvet headband, and it has like jewels on it. I think I'm gonna wear it for Christmas Eve. She got that for me, but I took it home with me. I'm not getting it for Christmas because I'm gonna wear it on Christmas Eve. But we have to, I can barely see you because of the lights. We have to go turn on the Christmas lights. Okay, turn on the Christmas lights. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Can you help me? Thank you. Yay! Bailey's here. I have to get my purse.
Okay, white pen.
Okay. Let's go get Mexican. Bye, Finny. Love you. Are you gonna lock the door?
What's up? How are you?
Look how pretty. Ben.